What's going on YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, if you came to this video and you are wondering how you're going to make $20 to $30 in less than an hour or an hour, then what I need you to do is I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, today I'm going to give you an opportunity to make some money where you need no experience whatsoever. The problem we run into all the time as entrepreneurs or people in the job market is you can't get the job or get the work because you don't have any prior experience in the field. Now, how am I supposed to get experience in the field when you don't give me an opportunity to get the experience? Okay, I got to get the experience somehow, and it's a really big hurdle to jump. It's a really big hill to climb, and a lot of us haven't made it out of that yet. So what I'm here to do is I'm here to give you an opportunity to still make a living, make a little bit of money, and figure out where you can get the experience. But with this one, you don't need any experience whatsoever. All you need, there is a prerequisite. All you need is to have a phone, and everyone that I know has a phone. Sometimes they have more than one because you have one phone and then it gets old or you trade it or it gets broken or something and you move on to the next one. You could potentially make even more money if you have more than one phone. And if you put friends on, it's a whole way. You can make a system out of this. Is what I'm trying to tell you, okay? All you have to do is have a phone. You don't need any prior experience whatsoever. You just need to know how to navigate a device. Without further ado, let us get into the video. The website I'm going to show you is a website called Click Worker, okay? This is a remote company, meaning that you can do this from anywhere in the world. You do not have to clock in anywhere. You do not have to be present. All you need to do is you need to have a mobile device of some sort. Now, what happens is you see the app right here. We're just going to go through this website. I'm going to take you step by step for a little while. We have the Click Worker app. So what you can do is you can go to the App Store, either Google Play or the Apple Store, because I know sometimes you say, go to the App Store and then it's an Apple exclusive product. You don't have that problem here. So if you have an old Android phone or a new Android phone, you can do this too. This is completely fine. And what this is a micro-tasking job site. Okay, you microtask here, and that basically means you go in and you do small tasks for folks who are coming out with applications or they have a website and they just need the tedious small things to get done for them so they can focus on the more prominent aspects of their business. Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. They're providing a job opportunity. They're letting us know that, hey, I'm too busy to do this and I need somebody else to do it. And you're that person. That's just how that goes. All right. So you can go to the App Store and you can click on the app and you can download it. You can sign up at any point. Right. But this is a couple jobs that you can be doing. Okay. Now, text creation is a little bit like copywriting. All right. When you go to a website or a review or I don't know, if you're trying to buy a product, right? You have informative text that go along with that product. Text that says what it's made out of, where it's located, what kind of the material it is, what the guests say about wherever you're going. They need people to do that, and they can't always hire a copywriter because sometimes the job is just too small for that. Copywriters, they usually go for full bleed websites, or they get opportunities to do multiple forms of the copywriting for the business. These businesses and these people, they just need something really quick done. Maybe they have an Etsy account they just opened up, or they have a small Shopify store, or they have a vacation review place, and they just need someone to go in, make a quick description, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, of just how they want this to go. And it's that simple. It's really that simple. So you can be given that job, and you can definitely do that. And all of us are English speaking, and you don't even need to just be an English speaker. Okay, this actually works across any country. They have hundreds of countries that you can apply at. So when you go and you apply, you can go up here, and you can say click any one of these things, and they'll give you more details on it. And you can just let them know what country you're in, and they'll give you jobs specifically for that country. All right. Well, also they have copy editing, which is I know we skipped over one. We'll get back to it. We'll go to copy editing because I say that because it's similar to the text creation. I told you that they need descriptions. Okay, they need things that are on the product page or on the review page. So what you could also do is you can just go and visit the website or visit wherever they tell you to visit, and you can proofread. So if you're good at grammar, or if you're good at putting, punctuations the where they need to be, this is good for you. Maybe they use the word wrong, or maybe they use it in the wrong context. So you can go in and say, hey, I saw this on your page. This is a better way to put what you're trying to say. And that's what's going to help them out. And they're going to pay you for that, and it depends on how many jobs you get, what kind of job it is, you know what I mean? But it's really simple work, and we've gone through a couple of these jobs already, and there's no prior experience needed for any of this. Okay, everyone does this on a regular basis. Research, okay, you can do research for companies. Research as in, hey, I need to know how many people drink beer on a particular day, right? Or I need to know how many jumping jacks do people of this age range usually accomplish in 5 minutes. It's stuff like that. You can do research for restaurants, and you can go and find out, well, what's the demographic of the people that live in one particular place, and what kind of food do they usually eat. That way the restaurant can determine, hey, we're going to make this kind of restaurant rather than this kind of restaurant, because the people here, they enjoy this type of food more, and they're going to make more money. Okay, you can do surveys. Surveys are sent out by companies and organizations, and they just have questions about how people feel about things, and all of this is data. Data is extremely, extremely beneficial to a lot of places, and it's actually more expensive than oil these days. Data can get you information, data can get you placements, data can get you from A to B really fast. Instead of guessing at what products to sell to certain people, if you have the correct data about that demographic, or about the product, right? You can place that product in front of the right people, more people who would buy the product, rather than wasting money on marketing and putting things in front of people who don't care about whatever it is you're trying to sell. All right. And these surveys are what help them accomplish that goal. Right. So you can take surveys for these folks. The jobs are honestly endless, photo capturing. Now, this one's interesting because it kind of ties into the mystery visit we have over here as well. Photo capturing is basically you just go out and you capture photos of random things, not random things, but things they ask you to take pictures of. Say you have, a laptop, or you have a pencil, or there's a particular storefront that they need to see. You can go out and you can take pictures of these things, and you can upload them, and then they can use them for whatever. You get paid for that. This is just a little bit of time taken out of your day. I say it ties in with the mystery visit as well, because oftentimes the mystery visit is when you just go to a store or a branch of some sort of a business, and you are a secret agent to Clickworker and whatever business hired you, and you go in and you just experience what it's like to be there. You see if anyone asks you for help. You see how the store looks, and you review it, and you send the information back to the people who hired you. And I say it ties into the photo capturing, because what you can also be asked sometimes to do is you can ask to be taken to take photos of the mystery visit. So you can go around, you can take pictures of what's going on. Audio recordings, video recordings. Look, this is endless stuff. This is endless stuff. They give you so many different opportunities to make money. Now, this isn't going to get you rich. What it is going to do is provide you a side income, right? This is a wonderful side hustle, and you're not going to be doing this 8 hours a week. What you're going to do is you're going to do this maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half, depending on what the job is. But it's just something to do in your free time, okay? Something you can do in your free time. They pay very well. They pay very frequently. You get paid on a weekly or a monthly basis. That depends on you. 24-hour service. So if you have any problems, what you can do is you can just contact those folks, and they're pretty good at getting back to you. Now, like I said, this isn't going to get you rich at all, but what it is going to do is provide you a little side income. If you're trying to come up with a long-term business plan to actually make a significant amount of money online, this isn't going to be the job for you. And what I would rather you do is I'd rather you click the first link in my bio, and that's going to send you to what I believe is the number one way to make money online. It is my recommendation. It's my personal numero uno way of having a long-term business, of generating an income online that can let you quit your job, that can let you be your own boss and give you the freedom that you've been looking for. Now, it's not for the faint of heart. It is for those folks who are dedicated and hardworking. So if you're not really interested in building a career online, this is a great video for you, because you can just have a little bit of side income come your way so you can save up for something you really want. But if you're trying to change your experience, you're trying to change your life, and you have an entrepreneur mindset, then the first link in my description is what you're going to want to click. Okay, so you're going to take that, you're going to click it. You're going to go to my number one recommendation on how to make money online and have a long-term business. And then you're going to let me know how you feel about it. Let me know how it worked out for you, okay? I'm just trying to help you folks out. My name is Make Money Malik. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.